Good morning, guys. This is Ayur Mahajan, register number 17MS 1112. Now I'm gonna teach you about NAND to Tetris. Here, to run this software or simulator, first we need to be installed with JDK and JRE. In JRE, we're gonna run a software named NAND to Tetris. Yes, I'll show you. Wait. See, this is Nando Tetris. So, in Nando Tetris, we have two files. After we download, we'll get two files. Uh, Before running, I wanna show you something. As of me, when I downloaded the codes which are yet to be run, like we are gonna run and 16 mux, dmux, dmux 4-way, dmux 8-way, and mux 4-way, mux 8-way, 16, and mux not 16 or 8-way or 16 and SOR. So these HDLs are nothing but the codes, and the TST are nothing but the test cases, test script. So HDL, I'm gonna open, and so when installing the software or the files, we'll be only having code up to this. So what we have to do, these two lines are to be coded for passing the arguments. So these are excluded, sorry. Yeah, so these are the two main codes. It doesn't mean that including these two codes here will run the other also. No, these are totally depend on others also. See, as now we are using and not and, so it depend on and. In others, like say like in and 16, we using and when we go to mux, we use and also not. So if this not nothing but one sec, see, this is not, if this code is not present here, like if this line is not yet coded, then this code won't be running, because here we are using not, and in not we didn't define the parts, like this is the part, so we didn't put our code there. So we need to have everything in every code. So I'm just going to show you what should be present in each. So this is in and, you can see uh, this is in and 16. These are the codes. Yeah, these, and mux, sorry, dmux, these are the three lines, and dmux 4-way HDL, these are the main one, and dmux 8-way HDL, these, yeah, these, then mux we have four lines, as you can see. Yeah, these four we completed up to mux 4-way 16 HDL, these, and mux 8-way HDL, these, mux 16, yeah, these, and not, only one line, sorry, not 16, these, or just three lines, like it's like giving inputs a, if a, then output should be c, and if a is b and b is b, then output should be d. This you can learn, like these are totally depend on the each other, so you'll be getting bit confused. So or 8, these, or 16, these, and the final one XOR, XOR, these. So now I'm going to show you the implementation for each. So implementation will be done in the tool section in this hardware simulator.bat. This is for Windows. So on double click, run it. Yeah, this is the tool. So I'm gonna run each and everything fastly since we know the codes and everything. So one second, I'm going to explain you. This is called load chip. Here we need to load our code, and this is the load script which are tst files, and this is load script which are .hdl files. So whatever .hdl file you select, the same tst file should be selected. So for and we selected and this is the test script and this is the hdl. You can see whatever we coded, it's here. These are the input values, and this is output pins and input pins. These are the parts. So here once we click on run, it executes line by line. If suppose you get any error here in red color, then there is some issues in this code. If you don't get errors and if it is like end of script comparison ended successfully, then you go here, output. This is the output. We are solving, and so 0 and 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 1 is 1. In and this is what we get. These are the inputs and this is the output. Now let's check for and 16 and script and 16. Yes, run them. It will execute each. While executing, we can also see them parallelly. See, these are executing points. You can see even if 1 0 is present, the output is 0. All ones will be ones, and here whatever at these points ones are there, so we got one. You know that. Let's go to the other one. Now demux. Yeah, demux. Execute. See the output. 3 4. Yeah, end of script. So this is the output for the demux. Now let's go to demux 4-way. Demux 4-way. Execute. Let it run each and every command. You should be sure that under parts after this put your code here, there should be some code, and each and every code should be related. If it's your wish, you can solve it anyway, but yeah, this is the easy way. So this is what executed. This is the output for the demux 8-way 4-way. Now we solve it for demux 8. Yes, execute, executing. See demux 8-way.html. Yeah, there are a lot of commands. We can parallelly also see the output here. This is the result for demux 8-way. You can see the name here. Yeah, now we go for only mux. I loaded. Now tst loaded. Execute. Executing. We can see the output. You can compare the screen. This is the output we need. We got the output of mux. Now mux 4-way. Mux 4-way. Execute. Script here, it will be running. Yes, yes, and yeah, end of script. Output, you can see this is the output. 4-way completed. 8-way. 8-way. Run. Running. Yes, This is the output we get parallelly, and this is end of script, and this is the output we got for mux 8 way 16. Now mux 16 run. This is directly running the whole command, or this what is called single step. This is you will be execute each code line. So that is only useful when you're coding by your own and you want to see whether you're getting error or not. This is the output for mux 16. This is not nothing but 1 0 0 and 1. Yeah, not execute, simple one. If 0 1, if 1 it's 0. Yeah. Not 16, not 16, execute. You can see whatever the values are there, the opposite values will be printed. Like if 0 it's 1, if 1 it's 0. So this is the not 16, nothing but 16 bits. If it is not 8, it means 8 bits. So you can see mux 8, it's mux 8 bits, mux 16 16 bits, 4 4 bits. If mux only 2 bits, a single bit. Yeah. We done with not 16. Now it's term or load or execute output. Or if even one true is there, then the output will be true. So when both are false, you got false, others it's true. Yeah, executed successfully or is done. Now or 8 way. Sorry. Yeah, stop or 8 way. Now run. Yes, I think you get the answer. All zeros, zero. One or one. Like you apply or in each term. So one. Here zero, zero, zero. Here one is there. So one. Another one. One. You got it. Yeah. Or 8 way done. Or 16. Or 16. Execute. Output. Or section is these A 16 bits will be OR created with B 16 bits, and the output will be the 16 bit. This is the output. Like um, suppose here the third term is 1 and the third term is 0, so the 1 and 0 will be 1. In that way we are solving this. So we done with our 16. Now it's term for XOR execute output. In XOR, if two terms are same, then false, same, then false. If 0 1 or 1 0, it's true. So this is the table of XOR. Yeah, we are done with all the HDL files and TST files, and this is the execution of Nano Tetris. Thank you, Khadir sir, for allowing us to explore and know these things. Thank you.